Types of data in Python. We have variables. Variables in Python dynamically typed, and Python is case sensitive. It means differentiate between capital letter, for example, Apple, and small letters. The first letter of variables cannot start with the digits, for example, number 3, 4, 5. Main data types in Python. We have integers, int, for example, age equal 45. Type of age is integer. Then we have float numbers, the number with the pointers. For example, x equal 33.5. Type of x, it is float. We have complex, for example, z equal 5 plus 12j. Type of z is complex. Then we have Boolean, for example, is factor equal false. Let's check. Type of is factor. Then we have strings, str, for example, name equal Anas. Type of name str, strings. We have NoneType, for example, int equal none. Type of int NoneType. For container data types in Python, we have tuple, for example, color equal green and red. Let's check type of color. It is tuple. And we have list, for example, color equal red and blue. Type of color with the capital C is list. We have set, for example, food equals set rice, egg, and yogurt. The food type is set. And dictionary, let's say age equal Anas 8, Aviar 6, and Muhammad 5. Then we type age is dictionary. We have finally range, for example, y equal range 100. Type y is range.